What's up, YouTube? So I'm out here in the dark, and I'm working on the changing the heater core. This is an 88 International s1654, and so I had to take this off, which was up on there that way. Slides over that rod and up there, and then you just got the screws all the way around. Pretty straightforward. Don't need much instruction for it. I did have to come up with this little guy to hold a bit in order to get, the screw up at the top. But now I'm going to get these two screws out, there, and then that should come out. Oh, and the ones holding that on. And then this is the replacement that I ordered. I found it on Rock Auto, and then it's got these little Z-shaped mounts, so it'll screw to there and then to down there. I'm gonna have to find some screws for it though. But really, this is a really straightforward install. Not intimidating, not hard at all. It's not like a Toyota where you gotta tear out half the cab. So believe in yourselves. Know that you guys can take on this project. It's super easy, and keep building shit, guys. So there's my old one. There's the hole it goes in. I'm gonna go ahead and get it vacuumed and stuff though. There's like, some nastiness down in there. I'll get the light up there. I'm gonna get that all wiped out and cleaned up, and I'll slide the new one in and get it all screwed in and hooked up. Alright guys, so I brought this in and I got it wrapped in foam. I was able to I went all the way around with it one piece, and I used my scissors and I cut it up the center to that corner to where I could bring it around those, and then I just kind of used little extra pieces to fill in. So hopefully it's going to fit in there. Let's go out and try it. There we go, guys. So I got the grommet that goes out that way screwed in, and then I got this all screwed in with the little straps. It's a different style than the other one was, but I figured it out. Now I just get the cover on this, and yeah, my heat should work after I hook up the hoses. Alright, YouTube, so I went and got some heater hoses. One's 5/8 and one is 3/4. This is the smaller one, the 5/8. Went down to there. That one went up to the top of the engine there. I got the inside all buttoned up, put back on last night in the dark. So there it is. That's how you change a heater core in a 88. This is a 1654 International with a 7.3 IDI. So hit like, hit subscribe, guys. Follow along. Till next time, believe in what God gave you, guys. Keep building shit. Working on stuff's not easy.